Hello, everybody. Good day. How y'all doing? It's a trade review for a trade that took on Euro USD Monday, February 16th. My prediction was that the market would go lower. It did do that. Um, what I seen was I think there's a strong impulse here, and then that the market had corrected. Now, MACD did switch, and all my MAs did switch. But going down to my lower time frame, I could see, sorry, starting off on a higher time frame, I could see that structure did not shift. This is still just one push, still one push. It was some wicks that created lower, but it didn't close lower. So I still see this as one push. So drop down to my lower time frames, and then also on my lower time frames, I did not see um that secondary structure being broken. I still seen this as one on the lower time frame, one primary trend, just one direction. So therefore, being that the MAs had crossed over, I just needed to find the level. MAs had crossed over and it corrected. I just needed to find the level that I could see the market stopping at, and this was the level that I identified. So I was actually a little bit late to this one because when I was analyzing and I seen that we had, I think it had just broke this structure point here that's connected to my trend line and for the entry for my entry confirmations. But being that I seen that, I was like, oh, this looks like everything. But I still wanted to double check. So being that I need to double check, and then I hadn't logged into my broker yet. Like that did it cost me this is a 30-second entry. So it cost me a few seconds here. But overall the risk reward was still good. I predicted, that it get much lower. But my goodness, like it was consolidating for quite some time. And I was looking at the charts and I was like, this was getting to me. I was like, it's a holiday, so this should be expected. But in the moment, I wasn't expecting that it would be consolidating for so long. So I ended up not holding all the way to down here, anything like that. We'll just let this go. Close that up, close that on out. Um, so I said, I was expecting how did it go, how I handled it, how I could have handled it. I could have still been in the trade. That's how I could have handled this differently, or I could have just chose not to trade today, being that it is a holiday. But I mean, everything's there, so I did take the entry.